Hi friends, today I'll be showing you how to get shared secret and identity secret that we have for our Steam account. So I really needed it right now, but I could not find any reliable resource online, so I just went ahead and created one solution. Like, the solution is out there, but no one has made any video out of it, so I thought I would make one. Also, it is platform independent. If you're using Mac OS or Windows, it doesn't matter. So I'll start from so basically what I'll do is I'll just create one project in my dev, and then I'll make a directory where I'll have to do this project. Let's just name it Steam. Okay, I'll go into Steam and I'll do a npm init. So the folks who don't have any background, the background of programming, it's Node package manager, so you can install Node in your system and then proceed. So there are tons of videos out there who will explain how to install Node. So once you do this, package name would be test one, description, I don't want, entry point would be index.js test command, so leave everything else. Yeah, so this is it. And if I'll see, there would be this thing. I'll open this thing into VS Code, and so yeah, basically this is what I have, what I'm presented with. So what I'll do is I'll just create one new file, index.js. Cool. And here what I'll do is so I have this code that I have written, and I'll just paste this here. So basically I need two packages to do this. One is Steam user, so yeah, only Steam user. I was also using a community one before, but I don't need that. So I'll just walk you through this code. What you'll have to do is you just have to copy paste this thing, and after you have done that, I think you will have to also do this npm I means install, and Steam user. So we'll need this package, right, to run this code. So I'll do that, and once this has been done, you'll see like our package is added, Steam user in dependencies. Once this is done, there's nothing more left. So basically as per the code, what I've done here is I've used config.account name in this. So what I'll do is, so why I did this, because I don't want you to see my password. You can like directly go here and enter your account name here, whatever your account name is. Okay, and similarly goes for password, and you can leave two-factor code as like blank. Okay, proceeding forward, I would make a config file, config.js. Cool. And I have some code. Cool. So there would be some small part in between. I'll have to trim that part. So yeah, I'll be getting my password from here and account name from there in the config file. And what I'll lastly have to do is just do node index.js. That's it. I think it should run. So it's logged into Steam. Yeah, so basically why I got null was I've already done the setup. If you haven't done it, you'll get a prompt to enter the code that you will get on the registered email ID for this account that you have here. Okay, and you'll just have to hit here something like if it's QWER and press enter. That's it, and then you'll get this whole response. Okay, and that's that. So you'll be able to get like identity secret and shared secret. Okay, I think this video helped you, so just give it a thumbs up. That's all. Thanks a lot guys, have fun.